Welcome to your 2023 Vision Board Planning session. My name is Oluwatosin and I'm here to help you create your plan for the next 3 years so you can reach your dreams and goals. We all have big dreams, but often we don't always get the right steps to get there. Creating a vision board for 2023 is the perfect way to map out a clear path to success. It's a great way to focus on where you want to be in the next 3 years and also set yourself up for success. But before we dive into creating your vision board, let's talk about the importance of goal setting. Having clear goals for your vision is essential for growth, success. When you set goals for yourself, you're also giving yourself something to work towards and providing a way to measure your progress. Goals keep you motivated and ensure that you don't get stuck in a rut. Now, let's talk about manifesting. Manifesting is the power of believing and visualizing that something will come to fruition. When you manifest your goals, you put out an intention into the universe and wait to see what comes back to you. Having a clear vision of what you want is very important when it comes to manifesting. Now that we've discussed the importance of goal setting and manifestation, it's time to create your 2023 vision board. Begin by clearing on what you want for yourself in the next 3 years. Write down your dreams, goals, aspirations, and plans on a piece of paper or in a notebook. Then start collecting images and words that represent these goals. Fill your boards with photos and quotes that inspire you and make you feel good. Finally, guys, take a few moments every day to look at your vision board and remind yourself of your dreams and goals. Be sure to focus on your growth mindset and invest in yourself as you walk towards your 2023 vision board plan. Thank you for joining me on this journey. With dedication and persistence, I know that we are going to make 2023 a success. I'll see you guys in my next video. But do not forget to subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, and also subscribe. I can't wait to see you in the next few months. Let's get it, girls. See you soon. Bye.